Atomic Habits by James Clear Book Summary. Atomic Habits is a book by James Clear that teaches readers how to form good habits and break bad ones. The book explains that even small, seemingly insignificant habits can have a big impact on your life, both positively and negatively. To make lasting changes, it's important to focus on making small improvements every day, rather than trying to overhaul your entire life at once. The book starts off by explaining the concept of compound interest. This is when small, consistent actions add up over time to create significant results. For example, if you save a little bit of money every day, that small amount will add up over time to become a large sum. The same principle applies to habits. Small, consistent actions can lead to big changes in the long run. Clear then introduces the idea of atomic habits. These are small habits that are easy to do and have a big impact. He explains that the key to forming good habits is to make them easy to do and to make them enjoyable. This way, you're more likely to stick with them. On the other hand, if you try to change too many things at once, or if you make the changes too difficult, you're more likely to give up. Clear also talks about how to break bad habits. He advises creating a plan for how you will handle the triggers that lead to the bad habit. For example, if you want to stop biting your nails, you might carry around a stress ball to squeeze instead of biting your nails when you're feeling anxious. You should also make it as difficult as possible to engage in the bad habit. For example, you might put a bandage over your nails so you can't bite them. Clear also discusses the role of identity in forming habits. He explains that your habits are a reflection of the type of person you believe you are. If you believe you are a fit and healthy person, you are more likely to have habits that support that identity, such as exercising regularly and eating healthy foods. On the other hand, if you believe you are a lazy person, you are more likely to have habits that reflect that identity, such as watching TV for hours instead of going for a run. To change your habits, Clear advises focusing on your identity and making small changes that align with the type of person you want to be. The book also covers the importance of tracking your progress and setting goals. Clear explains that it's important to track your habits so you can see how you're doing and make any necessary adjustments. He also advises setting goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. This will help you stay focused and motivated. Overall, Atomic Habits is a helpful guide for anyone looking to make positive changes in their life. By focusing on small, consistent actions, you can make lasting improvements and achieve your goals. Hit the subscribe button for more book summaries of the top-selling books.